Hey everybody, and today I have the fan that you thought I will never be able to have, and the fan I thought I'll never be able to have. But now I finally do. Today what you're seeing here is my 53-inch Casablanca Spirit Saturn Snow White and Chrome that I got from Craigslist yesterday. This fan uses a 28mm Emerson K55 motor, and it has a 4-5 blade rubber flywheel, has a long switch housing, has the 6-speed InteliTouch control, and is electrically reversible. Now, when I first got this fan, the diffuser cap was on, but it just popped off from the center glass, and I may need to reglue it. So, yeah, if you're also noticing about the white wire, that has a nick on it, and mainly through the halogen light. And I may need to replace the lead length on the wire so I don't run into popping the board into a disaster, because Casablanca no longer makes these boards anymore. So yeah, because Hunter has full control over Casablanca. Here is the diffuser cap, which fell off the center glass without any effort. There's some rust marks because of the halogen light. I will have to reglue that diffuser cap, but I'm gonna have to get the remains off. The Saturn rings, unfortunately, has a little crack on the middle and on the top, but nothing too noticeable from a distance. But since these are just made out of acrylic, I could get them made from a laser cutter by someone who knows how to get these acrylic parts made. The fan here comes with B593 Saturn blades, but no pinstriping on the other side. I'm a little bummed, but I'm not complaining. The ground on it has been cut off or just bent. I'm not gonna say bent, it makes more sense from the. And same for the downrod. It has a Hang-Tru 2 downrod. Here's the top. It's really dirty, but overall, with this fan in pristine condition, although there are some scratches on it, you can see I am not complaining. It's my first Saturn. I could do some touch up in the future. There's some vent screens starting to wear out by age. D or not paper. Been like not like my Delta 2. This fan was manufactured on April 7th, 1992. Was the 395th fan made that day. And what makes it special is the small number. It says 21G511T, which means that this fan was purchased through Home Depot. And normally with Saturns, you will see 250, 210, 000T. No, actually, 2100. I'm sorry about that. That's a mistake. I mean 21000T. That's where it usually would be purchased through the showroom. But this one here was bought from Home Depot. Came with all the screws and the Hang-Tru and a crossbar here, and the Hang-Tru here. Is not recalled, so I don't really see the point to putting the clip on a non-recalled Hang-Tru, since the casting is thick anyways. Here. Now this is my first Saturn, and I don't ever have plans to sell or trade it anytime soon, so don't ask. But the fan is 100% complete. Here's some nicks on the blades. And the halogen bulb is burnt. And it has the KG5 Saturn light. And the fitter is snow white. It's usually held in by these thumb screws. But I will have to get a new one cut in the future. So yeah, let's get this running. So I'm gonna run it like this, but don't ever run it like that at all. So I'll show you. Bearings are hissy. So yeah, and right now I will need to get working on this at some point, but this is a good start of the year of my recent acquisition. But overall, I'm very happy to own this one, and this is my first Saturn fan. Now the channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More was going to get it, but he wanted a different version from mine anyways. Had to beat him to it because I've been looking for this high and low for a very long time. It also has the standoffs. They are long. And it is designed by Jean Clyde Mason, who also designed the Halogen Star, Meridian, Mercury, Venus, Venus Halo, and Cascade. Which you have already seen my Venus, which is over there. And yeah, that is about it with my 53-inch Casablanca Spirit Saturn Gallery Edition ceiling fan. It's snow white and chrome. Was originally bought from Home Depot. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.